Well, hey, everybody. Today we're going to do the cute little frog.
I saw him somewhere on the internet. I think it might have been a site called drawingsforyou.com. Maybe you can go check him out.
Anyway, we're going to put him on a lily pad with some cattails, and he's going to be great. Start over towards the top of the paper. See where I'm starting? A half of a circle, then a line across, bumps up a little bit for the top of his head, then another half a circle. Now we're going to do a little line, like a droopy line on each side, about halfway down. That'll be his eyelid. And then we're going to go around to make a full circle on each eye, and that'll be his eyeball. All inside a little pupil. Then come down from the eye and another little bubble sideways, and that's going to be a cheek. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. And then you connect them, and that will be his chin. And see how it's not a straight line, it goes down also. So we're going to draw a little smile, and there you go. Now we're going to come down for his arm. See where we go on both sides. Then we're going to cut in, round that elbow off a little bit better than I did. Just like that. And web fingers, so he's got 3 pointy little fingers. And follow that line back around, gets larger at the top. There you go. We'll straighten those lines out in just a little bit. Do the same on the other side with 3 pointy. It's like zigzag lines. Almost like a Z can almost make the fingers. Then we put 3 little bubbles, circles on each end. So he's got his elbows resting on his knees. And we'll curve that around just like I did. It's almost like a sideways U. Kind of crazy one though. And then bring it down. See that? Now you can see the beginning of his legs. We're going to put his feet on now. Pull his foot out. And same thing you did with the fingers. Like Z's, and then goes back up and stops. Goes over. And the foot again, more Z's backwards, and connect that foot. Ta-da! Don't forget to put the little circles on each toe. There, that wasn't so hard. You can pause the tape and come back when you get caught up, or rewind it and watch it, and then we'll get going. Okay, guys, now we're going to draw the lily pad that he sits on. Lily pad's a plant in the water. See how I just started with a bubble and went around and matched it at the other side. That was not hard. Now, for cattails, it's a line going up out of the water and coming back real close to your other line. They're going to be it's a green leaf, a long, skinny green leaf. Now the cattail itself, I'm bringing a little stick up with a long, skinny cattail. It's brown, and at the end of the season, it fluffs apart and floats in the air. Then on the other side, we're going to do the same. Long, skinny leaves, and the cattail itself will come up at the top, just like the other one, and point over. There you go. See that? Goes around. Now we'll color them in a little bit. I'm going to thicken up this line a little bit. Now I'm just going to darken up my frog. You can push pause and catch up if you'd like, because I'm going to speed it up. Let's color now.
Hey, why are frogs so happy? Anybody know? Because they eat whatever bugs them. Oh, hey, wait. Why did the frog have to go to the hospital? Because he needed an operation. Operation.
Now I'm going to add a darker shade of green for shadowing and for shading. And this is the last layer going on. You'll see it add a little more richness. Remember, you should be having fun and enjoying yourself. It's fun. Don't be too hard.
And don't forget to have a little fun every day. Subscribe and like this video if you do. And come on back.
Bye-bye.